Building a profitable online business. In today's digital age, the concept of building a profitable online business from scratch has become increasingly popular. With the rise of the internet and technology, individuals now have the opportunity to create their own digital dollars and generate income from the comfort of their own homes. This article will explore the steps and strategies necessary to build a successful online business from scratch. The first step in building a profitable online business is to identify a niche market or target audience. Conducting thorough market research is crucial to understanding the needs, wants, and preferences of your target audience. This will allow you to tailor your products or services to meet their specific demands and stand out from the competition. Once the niche market has been identified, the next step is to create a website or online platform. This serves as the foundation of your online business and should be visually appealing, user-friendly, and optimized for search engines. Hiring a web designer or utilizing website builders such as WordPress or Shopify can help streamline the process and ensure a professional and seamless online presence. It is important to include relevant and engaging content on your website, such as blog posts, videos, or product descriptions to attract and retain visitors. In addition to a website, establishing a strong online presence through social media platforms is essential for building a profitable online business. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn provide opportunities to connect with your target audience, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to your website. Consistently posting high-quality content, engaging with followers, and utilizing targeted advertisements can help increase your online visibility and attract potential customers. Once the foundation of your online business is established, it is time to develop and market your products or services. This can involve creating digital products such as e-books, online courses, or software, or offering services such as consulting, coaching, or freelance work. It is important to ensure that your products or services provide value and can solve a problem or meet a need for your target audience. Implementing effective marketing strategies such as email marketing, content marketing, or influencer partnerships can help generate leads and convert them into paying customers. Another crucial aspect of building a profitable online business is establishing a solid monetization strategy. This can involve various revenue streams, such as selling products or services, offering paid memberships or subscriptions, displaying advertisements, or utilizing affiliate marketing. It is important to continuously evaluate and optimize your monetization strategy to maximize profitability and adapt to changing market conditions. Building a profitable online business from scratch requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. It is important to stay updated with the latest trends, technologies, and strategies within your niche market. Investing in your own personal and professional development, whether through courses, workshops, or networking events, can help you stay ahead of the competition and continuously improve your online business. In conclusion, building a profitable online business from scratch is an achievable goal with the right strategies and mindset. By identifying a niche market, creating a strong online presence, developing and marketing valuable products or services, implementing effective monetization strategies, and continuously learning and adapting, individuals can build a successful online business and generate their own digital dollars in today's digital landscape.